Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you facing issues while printing the color copies in your Epson printer? Get quick help by calling at these numbers. Also, in this video, I'll guide you through top 3 methods including changing the cartridge and cleaning the print nozzle. Follow the steps properly and you'll get your Epson printer printing perfectly once again. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Print a nozzle check page. First, go to your printer's control panel and tap on Maintenance. Now, choose Print Head Nozzle Check and press OK. The printer will ask for an A4 sheet of paper. Just slide some papers in and hit OK again. Once the test page prints, take a quick look at the lines. You're just checking if they look nice and clean. If you notice any broken or patchy lines, no worries, just tap the X icon and press OK. You'll see one last confirmation screen. Go ahead and press OK and then the printer will start the cleaning process. Tell us in the comments which Epson printer you're using. Also, if the steps seems helpful, then make sure to subscribe our channel. Method 2. Replace the color ink cartridges. Alright, so once again, use the right arrow button on your printer's control panel to go to Maintenance and then press OK. Now, just scroll down using the down arrow until you see the ink cartridge replacement. When that screen pops up, simply press OK to move forward. The printer will now ask you to open the top cover. Go ahead and lift it up if the cartridges needs changing. Once it's done, carefully pull out the old ink cartridges. Now, grab the new cartridges and slide it straight into the empty slot. Once that's done, gently close the printer cover. Head back to the control panel and press OK for the complete option. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation on the screen letting you know that the cartridge replacement was successful. Method 3. Perform the print heads cleaning. Head over to your printer's control panel. Keep pressing the right arrow until you land on Maintenance and then press OK. Now, use the down arrow to scroll until you find the print head cleaning and then hit OK again. When a screen like this pops up, you just have to press OK to start the cleaning. Alright, now the cleaning cycle will kick in. You'll see a little timer on the screen. Just let it do its thing and wait for it to finish. Once that's done, the printer will ask you if you want to run a nozzle check. Go ahead and choose check so it prints a test page and then take a quick look to make sure everything's printing nice and clean. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.